LV masks, get you one for the gone, 100% cotton, so don't trash, cause they last.
Oh, hello, friend.
That was sick.
Okay, guys, so you might have just gotten your mask and you go, oh, I might go this way. You go to put it on. There's really no front or back. It's whatever you choose. You go to put it on and it's just too big, too loose, hanging. So what you want to do is you're going to do a simple knot. I'm going to twist this around, but I'm going to bring my hands up under, so through the hole like that. So we have our simple twist. Grab the string under it. And then just slip it down to about midway, I'd say. Or however far down you think is going to be where you want. Don't tighten it. Just have it slip there. Same thing with the opposite end. You do it slowly. Come under, turn, grab it. And then you just want to try and slide that down. Okay, so, and try to do it as evenly as possible on both sides, all right? So now, when you go to put it on, it will start to slide and adjust, so you just try to hold it. So we're gonna go put it on. I like to put mine on from the top because I feel like it secures over my nose tighter that way. Then I bring it down, hold the top, and you slide it to adjust. So now, I just run my finger there and make sure it's comfortable for my ear. You see? And now it's nice and tight. There we go. Now you're ready to combat all kind of stuff. Don't you sneeze on me. Don't sneeze on me.
LV masks, get you one for the gone, 100% cotton, so don't trash, cause they last.